We'll be demonstrating the cleaning with the ML16 solution to recover the deflected nozzle, which usually are found on magentas. For this moment we're using GFX 200, which is easier to demonstrate, but it's the exact same menu on the UCJVs, UJFs and the GFX series as well. So the first thing to do is going to the maintenance station, and then we'll bring the carriage out to the head maintenance position so that we can swap the print heads with the cloth and the solution, the new solution. We're going to use a limit-free cloth to swipe the actual print heads, the solution itself, droplet, and some swabs in case that we need to do some extra cleanings. So once the carriage is over here, we're going to prepare our cloth, which we usually fold it in 4 pieces, giving us a width length somewhere bigger than the actual nozzle surface. So if the nozzle surface is kind of like half of it. We'll grab some of the solution with a droplet. And we're going to pour some solution on the cloth part that will touch the print head. Make sure that the part that is touching the print head is quite wet. And then on the print head, we start from the back part and come forward. You can repeat this like 2 times, especially on the first cleaning cycle, and you'll probably looking at 4 cycles in total, depending to the printed condition. So again, we drop some solution on it, and then we go from the back part of the print head and forward. Just one swap, back to forward, and just once with the same cloth, so we don't introduce dirt on the print heads. You can do it for the old print heads, or you can just do it for the affected print head. That will not make much of a difference. And then we have to go back to the menu. I'm going to pause this moment, and I'm going to resume when the carriage is on the cap station. The carriage is back into the home position, so now we can reassume the next part of the cleaning, which is going to function, maintenance, station, and then nozzle wash. We're going to hit enter, and the machine will first ask us to clean the wiper. We can use one of the swabs with a new solution and then just clean the wiper. Now I can hit enter on the menu. and the printer will ask me to clean the caps. The clean cap procedure requires you to drop some solution into the cap so it will clean the pathway. This will also help the machine so that there will be no ink mix with the solution at the moment that we're running the actual nozzle wash. Now that we see that the caps are clean, we can go back and hit enter. And in a bit, the printer will ask us to fill the caps with a cleaning solution for the nozzle wash. Now we have to fill the liquid. We pour enough liquid as the surface tension cannot hold anymore, and that's usually enough so that the printhead can sit on the solution for at least 1 hour. And again, this procedure will be repeated like 4 times or as many times as needed until you get a perfect nozzle test. So this is the amount that we're aiming to drop. So the cap is full, so once the head goes on top of it, it should be sitting on the solution. And then I'm going to go ahead and press the enter key again. It will ask us for leaving time. As we said, we're going to repeat this procedure for at least 4 times by 60 minutes. So we're going to start with 60 minutes nozzle wash time. The printhead will go on top of the caps. It will lock the caps and will help dissolve the clogged nozzles that are causing deflection. Once we see the timer, if your printhead condition is quite bad and you see that your 1 or 2 or 3 cycles are not working for you, the moment that you see the counter going down, you can go ahead and turn off the machine by switching the main power off. You can leave it overnight, and when you come back the next day, you just need to turn on the machine and the machine will automatically clean the solution down, and you need to run maybe 1 or 2 normal cleanings or hard cleanings in order to see your nozzles. That's another way you can do it. But the recommended time is like 3 cycles to 4 cycles of 1 hour each. Every cycle you're going to wipe the printhead manually with a cloth first, and then you're going to leave it for 1 hour in nozzle wash.